Today, we're diving into the app Review Order Progress to help you tackle production issues efficiently. In our case, we're working on a smartphone GigaView 5G Titan. So let's see what components we have. This is where you can review each part to ensure everything is in place. Take a look at the Issues column. Use the filter to display only components that have an issue. To do so, select Yes in the Issues Only filter. Then choose Go. Expand the tree structure, if necessary. First, you'll see the casing for smartphone flagged with an issue message that says insufficient coverage. Let's show you how to solve this type of issue. First, let's examine the component that's having the issue. Look at the casing's data in the table. Compare the required quantity with the uncovered quantity. We notice a shortfall of 5 pieces for the associated planned order. So, let's try to increase production. In the Material Number column, choose the material number of the casing for smartphone. In the Quick View, choose Related Actions to see the suggested apps you can go to from here. Choose the Manage Material Coverage app. We've navigated directly to the app Manage Material Coverage, where you can analyze the stock requirements situation. You'll see all the necessary material information and production status for the casing. Check the associated planned order and choose Edit. Here you can change the order quantity from 95 to 100. Then choose OK. Navigate back to the Review Order Progress app. Refresh the screen. Then you see that the issue has been resolved. Let's draw our attention to the next issue. First, let's examine the component. You'll see the random access memory flagged with an issue message that says Reschedule in. The component delay column indicates a delay of 4 days. Let's compare the availability date with the requirement date. We see that the availability date is 4 days later than the requirement date. This causes the delay of the component. The total delay column indicates a delay of only 3 days. When you compare the availability date with the proposed requirement date, you'll notice a difference of only 3 days. There's a buffer of 1 day derived from the highest component, which is available 1 day earlier than stated in its requirement document. Therefore, the total delay is 3 days, not 4 days, and it is shown across all higher-level components as the maximum delay. So let's reschedule the supply of the random access memory. Select the material number and open the Quick View. Now choose Related Actions and choose the Manage Material Coverage app. We've navigated again to the Manage Material Coverage app. On the Stock Requirements tab, you'll notice the associated planned order of our component. Choose Reschedule, and a dialog box will open. Here, you can select a new delivery date for the receipt element. Use the date picker to set the desired date. Here you can choose May 12th as suggested by the app. As an alternative, you could even choose May 13th because we have a day of buffer derived from the calculation of the proposed requirement date. Then choose OK. Now, navigate back to the Review Order Progress app. To ensure everything is updated, refresh the screen. And that's it. You can see that the issue for this smartphone GigaView 5G Titan has been successfully resolved. By following these steps, you can keep your production process running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. AI-generated audio.